if Ken has changed his password, it's gonna be
Yep.
same password. So it's gonna be winter 2012, right?
I did change my password
Why did
because
you change it, man?
no, remember last time Ali, I told you my password is expired, so I need to change it. And I talked to the help desk and
Oh,
I changed my password. And
oh,
now
mine
it's
expired too. Now it's what? Chill inland. It's still Tin Bui, right? T Bui and something. Chill
uh
in.
well your password. I have my as password too.
Is it the same as mine? Let me check.
I have as password
Uh,
too, right? Before I add password one.
oh, oh, you have add password. Add PASSWORD two, right?
Yep, that's right. Yep.
So yeah, okay. So hey, so here's what this password do. So with 10, he has full access of a site collection, meaning that he is administrator. You can access site here. But here's a you have to keep in mind, this is production site. You guys don't
Yep.
wanna, you guys can browse around, do
Yep.
things, like
Mm-hmm.
only read only stuff. Make sure you don't make any changes. And it's okay to go walk around, right? So you can go here and go, and a lot of time you're not gonna see anything what's going on in the back. So you'll have to go to view all site content. This will give you how everything is set up,
In the back
workflows
end,
and
yeah.
all that in the back end, and the flows are set up, how everything is. And this is the best thing. Manage content structure. This gives you a way better understanding of how everything is how everything is working. It was okay. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what the password is for. But you can use the same password to VM into the machines too. Like if you want to RDP into the machine, so you can right click and all the IP addresses are sitting on here.
But
Hold on, give me a second.
I don't know if I've got the VM for this shell island.
No, you don't need a VM.
We don't need?
We don't have VM, Ali. Do you have
Yes, we
VM
don't have any
yourself?
VM. We don't. There's no
Yep.
VM. We don't do any deployments for them because we only
Okay.
have a support contract. We don't have any source code. We don't know how this project is set up. No idea.
Okay.
And they have tried contacting the old partners who actually created this website. They you know what they said to them? They're like, yeah, it's easy. Just go onto menu bar, file, view, and do the source. And the source code is right there. So that's what they keep telling them. This is use this. Not giving me the source code, the whole
Yeah.
project as
Yeah.
zip, right?
Yeah.
So this is all pretty much is you can use. So just to make sure, let me remind you, if you go into our documentation,
Mm-hmm.
not this one,
Oh yeah.
and
In
not
the
this one, right here. Right here gives you all the information you need. So these are service accounts, these are special accounts which all the stuff is running on. These are the IPs and the DNS, and this is domain name just in case if when you're trying to VPN. And this is the internal side, this is the remedy side, this is the
Oh.
VPN.
But what is
Right.
this
So if you
remedy
want
site? We need access there?
remedy, it's like manage engine
Yeah.
for Shell Inlet.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to worry about it. Generally, most time I just log in and I just make sure the tickets are assigned to me.
Okay.
Because we actually do not work off Remedy, we work off Manage Engine. So anything you do in Manage Engine, if you sign a ticket yourself, just add logs to it. This is pretty much their version of Remedy, and they want us to take care of it. So what I do is whatever the logs that you have put into ME, I just try to copy them into Remedy, so they have an update.
Okay.
And this is for the UAT environment, which is still in progress. Infrastructure guys created the UAT environment, but I'm still having issues with everything is working except the info path forms. So if anyone knows info path forms, please like this. Let me show you. So to access, I should have put in the password. Oh, okay. Let me show you how to access the UAT environment. You can access from your same computer.
Mm-hmm.
It's I forgot. I need to put this credentials. Hold on, I keep forgetting. Okay. So you go to 86. So 2014. I forgot the mapping for it. So hold on, let me see. I need to save it. See, I'm seeing these errors because I do not know how InfoPath works and how InfoPath integrates with. I was able to actually manage to work out. So they have different forms they interact with. So they create a form, and the form goes out, gets the data it needs, and fills the info path for you. Right? It's pretty simple, to the point. Like, let me give you. So I was able to fix one of the forms, and it took me so long to get it done because you have to manage. So each form has different connections creating to the database. Each form has, like, I will say 10, and 10 fields create 10 different database connections. So I was able to make this baby run one of them, only one of them, and it took me a long time. So I haven't touched the other ones because other ones requires a lot more information. And so this is working because now it's getting information. If I type in my name, it will say, okay, hey, this is you. So I can actually move forward with my request, which is a progress. Otherwise, it wasn't working because these fields are receiving information from somewhere, right? And this information is sitting in the database, right? So this is what it is. So, but if someone knows who's okay, let me get the alternate source. Hold on. To access a UAT, you have to use this guy. Let me copy paste this. I'm gonna save this for you guys here. Edit document. Okay, let me add this here. Needs to be right. Okay. This is the UAT. I'm going to save this. So now if you can type this into your browser, even right now, if you can go ahead, let me paste this in the middle and paste it here. Right? If you type this in your browsers, it will take you to the UAT site. It will ask you for password, and it's the same password that you're using for 10. I'm going to use mine. You have the 10th password, right?
Ali, you have to change the domain.
Oh yeah. And in then. And then you can see this is UAT. This is where you can mess around, you can do things. And we have a couple of guys working in this department. So they're actually working out, trying to figure things out.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
This is UAT.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to this link which you sent me, and
It's asking for username and password.
And it's appearing that the web page is not available. I don't know why.
Web page is not available. Maybe you do need to be on VPN then, because I'm not. Actually, no, I'm not. I am connected. So
Okay.
you probably do need to be on VPN. Let me try. I haven't tried it without the VPN. I think I did, but I'll check it again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So credentials, I'm gonna try to figure out today. What's the status on them? Because, yeah. So I'll get you more update on this. So in the meantime, you can use 10's password, and you can browse around, and the UT again. I've updated right here. UAT, and let me add the internal site. There's internal as UAT. Okay, let me move in the same place. Okay, let's do this. Tish. There. Alright, so okay, save. Okay, so it's saved. So you have the internal UAT address. Alright, so you can actually browse around and do, look into things. And this should give you full credentials. And I will work with them today to figure out the status on your passwords. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is there anything else you need?
So the credential, Tini will give me the credentials, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, he's given it to Christoph.
Yeah, to Christoph, and
Okay.
you can ask Christoph.
So I will ask Christoph. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So if you.
So.
Okay.
I think it's all what I want to know for now.
Sure.
I don't know if Christoph has any other questions.
Yeah, you can discuss with Christoph, and otherwise we can schedule another meeting, and we can go through the whatever you like to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great.
All right. So we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to Shell right now, and I'm gonna ask them on the status for the tickets. Let me just ask them right now. Hold on. Send an email. Uh-oh. Okay. I'll talk to him. So do I have a few hours for you today? Do I need to talk to anyone else? If it's going to be through some time in calendar or block off or go from there? I have no idea. Alright, so okay, so what? Well, don't worry. I'll let you reach out to. Hold on, let me write this down. Okay, I'm gonna try to spell him Kryzstof.
And no, after R is Z.
There's only Kryzsto.
And
I know.
after S is another Z. Yeah.
See, I would not have got. So look,
Right.
I have it ready, but yeah, it's off. It's off. I'm off on that one too, so no worries. Okay, so I'll sync with them today, and then I'll keep you posted. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye
Thanks,
then.
Ali.
Have fun. No
Bye.
worries. Bye.
Bye, Tin.
Bye, Tan.
Yeah, okay, bye. Have a good day, right?
Yeah.
You too. Bye.
Yep. Bye.